Hey guys, today I'll be making some sauteed mushrooms. So let's get started. So what we'll be using today are 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, some crushed chili pepper, some salt to taste, and here I have about 15 mushrooms. So let's get started. So first you're going to heat your pan and melt your butter. Then you're going to add your minced garlic and let it fry for a few seconds. Then you're going to place your mushrooms onto the pan. And add a little bit of water. After about 3 or 4 minutes, flip them over to cook a bit on the other side. And sprinkle some salt and chili pepper. Remove after about 4 minutes or until they are soft. Sprinkle some of the dried parsley over the mushrooms. You can also add some of the gravy from the pan. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share my video.